Hey guys, today I wanted to talk about one of my favorite stones, and that is citrine. And citrine is a great stone if you're looking to boost your confidence, your willpower, your self-esteem, and also your manifesting abilities. And here I have two different types of citrine. I have a natural citrine, which is actually it's a smoky citrine. You can see the little bit of smoky quartz at the tip, but you can see that the natural citrine is more of a lighter champagne tone. And the only difference really with the energies between this natural citrine and the heat treated citrine is that this one has a little bit more of a mellow energy, but they both work really great for all the benefits of citrine. And this is a heat treated citrine, which is typically they'll take amethyst and they'll heat it and it'll change to the color yellow to just basically speed up the process that already happens naturally in nature. Because citrine is a form of quartz, so amethyst is a form of quartz, smoky quartz, citrine is just the yellow form of quartz. So at different temperatures, they become different colors in nature. So citrine is one of my favorite stones. I've worked with it probably more than any other stone, and it's helped me so much when it comes to building personal confidence in yourself and just believing that you can create your desires and make them reality. So I just absolutely love citrine. If you ever have problems with feeling confident in yourself or your abilities, or you grew up being told that you can't do things, or just things that hit your self-esteem pretty hard, citrine will totally repair your solar plexus chakra, and it'll show you how quickly you can manifest. So I absolutely love this stone, and it's also known as the merchant stone. So if you want to bring more prosperity into your life, keep a citrine with you. And also if you have a business, you can put it in your cash box or cash register, and it'll continue to flow money to you. And also just keeping it with you, you'll notice you end up making a little more money. Like you notice that you just believe that it'll happen for you, and it does. So I absolutely love citrine. It is such a positive stone. It gives you a very joyful, positive energy. And when it comes to abundance stones, they're all different, and it's because there's different reasons that they bring abundance to you. So with citrine, it just gives you this very cheerful, happy energy, as if you're already in the vibration of having what you want. And that's exactly the vibration you need to be in order to manifest. So just even looking at the color, you can kind of see that yellow color just makes you feel very uplifted and energized. And something really cool also is that it's because it's such a high vibration stone, you don't have to cleanse it either. So citrine, and it can actually cleanse other stones as well. And I have this book right here, which is Crystalpedia by Athena Parakis, also known as Sage Goddess, if any of you guys watch her on YouTube. She's awesome. So this book I really love. It teaches you about different things that citrine does, but it has a little crystal message, which I was going to read to you guys today. And that is, let me ignite your internal power and propel you toward your dreams. True abundance is within your reach, and I am here to help you fulfill your intentions of business development and prosperity. So yeah, I mean, I've just noticed in my life that it really, really helped me to get excited about manifesting. I was making vision boards and just visualizing what I wanted, and if I kept that citrine with me, it happened. So citrine is like one of your best friends when it comes to just making every day become more of your perfect version of every day. So I hope this helps you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video.